Lotus seeds are also known as fox nuts or makhana. They are used widely in traditional Asian cuisine. Natural remedy to reduce inflammation. Toast the fox nuts until they are crispy and crunchy. Grind them into a fine powder. Add about 1 tablespoon powder to hot milk along with some turmeric powder. For a better taste, you can add vanilla extract or honey or cinnamon powder. This foxnut turmeric milk reduces the inflammation load in the body. If you consume the drink 1 hour before sleeping, it relaxes your system and promotes a good night's sleep. There are a lot of health benefits associated with these nuts. Lotus seeds are rich in B vitamins including thiamine, riboflavin and niacin, which are important for a better metabolism. They are low in calories and fat. This makes them a healthy snack option for Weight Watchers. Lotus seeds are known to have diuretic properties which help eliminate waste from the body. They are gluten-free, hence they can be enjoyed by individuals who have gluten sensitivities and celiac disease. Lotus seeds are rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants which protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. They also support cardiovascular health.